Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to install Veyon 4.4.1, the latest released version. So go to veyon.io/download and you can see the stable versions available. Today I'm showing in Windows. In the next video I will be showing how to install it on a Linux machine. So let's click on the downloaded setup file. Click on next, click on I agree, and go to the choose the default location. No need to change, and you can choose Veyon service, Veyon master, interception driver. So if this computer is a master, you need to check this one. So if it's a client, you don't need to install a Veyon master here, and click on install. And it's pretty simple. We have installed the Veyon master already. Now we have opened the software, and we can create master and slave. We need to install Veyon on another computer as a slave, and we can create the keys. And if you don't know how to do all this stuff, I have explained well in another video. You can follow the same procedure, and if you have any doubt, you can comment in the description as well. I'll be doing a couple of videos related to Veyon and how we can integrate with LDAP, how we can install it on Linux, and I'll be discussing all the important topics related to Veyon in coming videos. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.